Hi, this is Graham Bell with Real Intent. I'm talking with Prakash Narain, CEO and President. Prakash, DAC is right around the corner in San Francisco.
Yes.
What are some of the new products developments that we're going to see there?
Our theme for DAC and our mission is to accelerate and to make RTL sign-off more efficient. At this DAC, we will be actually presenting at a high level four of our products: Meridian CDC, Ascent Lint, Ascent IIV, and Ascent XV, and I'll talk a little bit about what people can expect to see for each of those. So for Meridian CDC, made a significant investment in advancing the state of the art. Clearly, we are headed towards increasing complexity of designs. We have actually created a new infrastructure which improves our memory footprint by almost a third, and also our runtime and performance by almost a third, which means that without any need for hierarchical abstraction, users can now run 500 million gate designs in about 9 hours. This is not the only advancement. We are actually enabling hierarchical methodology, a very precise, no approximation hierarchical methodology for enabling hierarchical sign-off, specifically when designs are integrating IPs. And last but not the least, and I'm going to be a little coy about it, there are a number of other advancements that we have made into the CDC product, which I will leave as a teaser for the viewers and say, just come to our booth and we will show you something beyond what I just mentioned. Ascent Lint has been characterized with the blazing performance and capacity. To that tool, we have actually added more coverage. We have added about 40 more rules. We have extended the system Verilog coverage. We have actually added a lot more precision because, as you know, with lint tools, it's very important to have very precise analysis. Otherwise, the user has to deal with a lot of noise in the reports. So we added a lot of precision to the analysis. And last but not the least, configurability, much improved configurability so that the users can actually customize and adapt the lint flow to their requirements. Again, lint is a tool that improves verification coverage. So along those lines, Ascent IIV, which stands for Implied Intent Verification, and it's actually an automatic formal analysis to improve verification coverage. The best thing about the tool is that its deployment cost is absolutely minimal. We have actually significantly improved the performance of Ascent IIV tool, at the same time adding very sophisticated FSM analysis, automatic FSM analysis checks to the tool. So these are the coverage enhancements, but really the distinguishing feature of IIV, which is in report management, where how can you take a very large amount of checking and reduce the debug or sign-off burden on the user to almost nothing. And this is the most distinguishing feature of Ascent IIV, which the visitors are welcome to stop by and take a look at. And finally, Ascent XV, which is a real advancement in the X safety analysis. What Ascent XV is doing is to provide a static sign-off solution for X safety. It statically analyzes your design for resetability, X optimism, X pessimism, as well as X propagation. And just to tease the imagination, what it does is actually seamlessly integrates the techniques of simulation, static analysis, and formal analysis into a unified flow, whereby it maximizes coverage and minimizes the user burden to achieve X safety. And this is actually a very unique capability that we are going to be presenting at this DAC.
Prakash, EDA industry, it's besides about individual products from companies, it's also about partnerships. Mm-hmm. Can you talk a little bit about some partner activities?
So as I had mentioned, Ascent Lint is such a sophisticated product, blazing speed, amazing capacity, and very high precise analysis. And I'm very pleased to say that both MathWorks as well as Calypto have actually integrated their flows and their tools with Ascent Lint to ensure the users the quality of the RTL that they generate from their high-level synthesis. In another dimension, DeFacTo, for the static sign-off activities, DeFacTo has integrated their DFT sign-off solution with our Meridian family of products to improve the setup and analysis as well as the user experience for an integrated flow. So these are the two significant developments as far as partner activities are concerned.
Are we doing anything at DAC to let people know that we're working with DeFacTo?
DeFacTo and Real Intent will actually be making a joint presentation regarding this unified flow at one of the events.
What else are we doing at DAC? Anything fun, Prakash?
Always. With you, Graham, there's always some fun stuff. We will have the photo wall, which is actually a signature activity that Real Intent has started doing. And you can come there and you can create a nice memento for your visit to DAC. We'll also be providing you with a mini World Cup experience. You can come there and you can check that out for yourself. And last but not the least, Graham, we love our customers. So as usual, we will have roses available, and for the visitors, that will be our way of saying thank you, and we hope you would like that.
Prakash, thanks for giving a little preview of our upcoming DAC in San Francisco.
You're very welcome, Graham. I'm looking forward to the event.